Okay, it's initial inspection. You can see the Lake Houston from this house, the side yard. Again, a box of chocolates. Rooms are all on one side of the house. Got your first bedroom here. Rear. Floor looks like it. First bathroom. Second bedroom. Again, the flooring. Third bedroom. Nice sized closet. And the bathroom, dual vanity. Looks like it was a nice sized shower. Looks like the house has already been winterized. Windows broken out in it. Back window there. Backyard, back porch. Nice sized porch. Kitchen. Garage. There's the window pieces there. 2-car garage. And you can actually see Lake Houston right there. Hey, if you need information about this or other homes or need help moving, contact us.